Baga Falls stands as a testament to the Piton's natural beauty, serene yet powerful, remote yet inviting. Captured through the lenses of a drone, it offers a rare glimpse into a paradise where nature speaks in whispers of water and wind. Whether you seek peace, adventure, or inspiration, Baga Falls welcomes every soul to post, breathe, and marvel at the wonders that lie just beyond the familiar trails of the city. So again, flexing. Baga Falls in Baao, the Piran City, Zamboanga del Norte, Philippines.